Hello everyone. My name is Shyam and I'll be your guide for today's Python programming session.
Hi, everyone. I'm excited to start learning Python.
In this session, we'll explore Python's syntax and structure, variables and data types, and basic operators and expressions. By the end, you'll be writing your first Python program. Let's begin. Python is known for its simplicity. Let's start with the classic Hello World program. Print Hello World. 1. Print. This is a built-in function that outputs whatever is inside the parentheses. 2. Quotes, strings, text data in Python need to be enclosed in single or double quotes.
What if I forget the parentheses?
Good question. If you forget them, Python will throw an error. Python is very particular about its syntax. Let's look at indentation, a crucial part of Python. Unlike other languages, Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. Here's an example. If 5 3. Print, 5 is greater than 3 # indented correctly. Print, this line is outside the block # not indented. Indentation tells Python what code belongs in the if block.
What happens if I don't indent properly?
Let me show you. If 5 3. Print, this will cause an error # missing indentation. Without proper indentation, Python throws an indentation error. Always pay attention to how you align your code. 2. Variables and data types. Next, let's talk about variables. Variables in Python are like storage boxes for data. Let's create a few. Name is equal to alias # string. Age is equal to 25 number integer. Height is equal to 5.6 # float. Is underscore student is equal to true # boolean. Python determines the data type automatically based on the value you assign.
So I don't have to declare the type of the variable, like in some other programming languages?
Exactly. Python is dynamically typed, which makes it simpler for beginners. Variables can also be reassigned. Watch this. Age is equal to 25 number initially an integer. Age is equal to 25 # now a string.
Is it okay to keep changing the data type of a variable?
Technically, yes, but it's good practice to keep the type consistent for better readability. Comments are helpful for explaining your code. Use # for single-line comments. # this is a single-line comment. Name is equal to alias # assigning a name.
That makes the code easier to understand.
Exactly. Here's an activity for you. Pause the video and create variables for your name, age, and a hobby. Use comments to explain each variable. 3. Basic operators and expressions. Now, let's talk about operators. They allow us to perform operations on data. A table summarizing operator types: arithmetic, comparison, logical. 1. Arithmetic operators. Let's start with arithmetic operators. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 3. Print x plus y # addition 13. Print x y # subtraction 7. Print x asterisk y # multiplication 30. Print x y # division 3.33. Print x% y # modulus 1.
What if I want to divide to numbers and only keep the whole number part?
Great question. Use the floor division operator. Print xy # floor division 3 2. Comparison operators. Next, comparison operators help us compare values. Print xy # greater than true. Print x is equal to y hash equal to false. 3. Logical operators. Logical operators combine conditions. Print x5 and y5, hash true only if both conditions are true. Print x15 or y5, hash true if at least one condition is true.
Can I combine different types of operators?
Absolutely. Let me show you. Result is equal to x plus y asterisk to 20 and x% to is equal to 0. Print result hash evaluates to true or false. Here's an activity for you. Pause the video and create a program that adds two numbers, compares them, and prints if the result is even or odd. Great work, everyone! Today, we covered Python's syntax and structure, learned about variables and data types, and explored basic operators and expressions.
This was really fun, sir. I didn't know Python could be this simple.
It's only the beginning, Asha. For your homework, 1. Write a program to calculate the area of a rectangle using variables and operators. Use comments to explain your code. In our next session, we'll explore data types and control structures. Don't forget to practice. Coding is all about hands-on experience. See you next time.